Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Sonic the Hedgehog as a Godzilla Titan. Now I had a lot of fun with this, and if you guys have other characters you'd like to see turned into Godzilla Titans, definitely let me know. But I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Sonic Godzilla Titan, we're going to begin with the face. I want to start right up here, and we're just going to begin by making a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to go back over like this for the eyebrow. Next, we'll bring a line that goes over, and then bring it up here. We're going to add a couple little extra lines underneath here. Then we want to bring a line that's going to go up and down for that eyebrow. I'm going to add a few little marks right there. And we'll make something that goes out, and then we'll bring it up here. Just to kind of show where the other eyebrow is going to be. I'm going to make a little line that comes out, and then one more here. Make a line that goes over, we're going to come down and up here, kind of like an upside down triangle shape. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and over, and then we're just going to bring it up a tiny bit. Next, we'll make this line come up and down here for the mouth. We'll bring another line that comes down, and we're going to bring this down. Next, we're going to bring this line over, and we'll come back in a little bit. Draw a line that goes down and over, and another one kind of goes down. This one's going to come up a little bit. Next, I'm going to bring this line up here, and we're going to curve it up. Starting here, we'll make some big sharp teeth, a couple small ones, and another big one. We'll do that same thing here. Big fang, we're going to make a couple smaller ones, and then another big fang here. We'll add some little points, and then a few more little points for teeth. Little line that comes down, and another one for the tongue. We'll make a little line that comes down here. Starting here, we're just going to make a little line that comes out. We're going to go down and back. Put some zigzags in it and a little line around. Starting here, I'm going to add just a couple little points on here just to show where there's going to be some of those like hedgehog spikes. And then up here, I'm going to add some kind of big, long, kind of pointed spikes up here. We're just going to make some different ones kind of coming up here just to show some different types of spikes. Starting here, I'm going to add a couple little curved lines for a neck. And we'll make a line that comes down and in for the chest. Then we'll make a line that goes up and in. Starting here, I'm going to put a couple little points on here just to make it look like it's kind of furry. Now starting up here, I'm going to make the arm. So I'm going to begin right here. We're going to make a line that's going to come down. Then we're going to make another line that's going to come down here. Make a line that's going to come up, down to a point, and back. Make one that's going to come down to a point here and back. We'll make one here, and one more right here, and then we're going to bring this up. Next, I'm going to bring this line up here, and then we're going to angle it up for the arm. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then out. Make a line that's going to come down to a point and back. Make one that's going to come out to a point and back. One here. One here, and we'll do one small one here and bring it up. And we're going to bring this back and up. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out, and we're going to bring it back. We're going to come down. Then we're going to make a long line with a claw that comes down and back. And another one that's going to come down and back. I want to give him some kind of like longer feet because Sonic has those really big feet. We're going to bring this up and over to here. Starting here, we'll draw a little line. Make a line that comes down, and then we're going to bring it back. Make this line come down and then in. Make a little pointed line here for a claw. Pointed line here. I'll make one more here. We're going to bring this up and bring it over to here. Now I'm just going to make kind of like a broken line that comes down here, and we're going to go right to about there. And the reason I'm doing kind of more of a broken one is just so I can add some more spikes and stuff in here. I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up here with a curve. We're going to go out here to a point, and then we'll bring it back. Now I want to start adding some spikes on here, so I'm going to put a couple like bigger spikes on here because Sonic is made up of those really big spikes. So we're just going to make some of those bigger spikes on here. And then all through here I'm going to add just a few smaller spikes. So we can make them different sizes. And we're just going to kind of fill them up here. And then we're going to put some more of these bigger ones right along his back. So you can kind of make these different sizes. There's no really right or wrong way to do it. We just want to make them really pointed looking. And we're kind of just filling up his back with all these different spikes. You can make some more little smaller ones in between here if you want. And we're just going to kind of fill these up. I'm going to start making them get a little bit smaller as they start coming down the tail. And we'll put a few kind of like smaller little spikes along here as well. I'm also going to put some in between some of these spots, not all of them, but just a few, just to make it kind of filled up a little bit better. And we're also going to run some spikes right down the tail too. Now right here I'm going to make a little broken line. And then I'm going to make this kind of like jagged, kind of pointed line on here just to kind of show where there's a little bit different color of some fur. We're going to add some little curved lines with a few extra on there just for some claws. And we'll do the same thing down here. I add some extra little broken lines on here and a couple little lines over here. I'm also going to add a few spikes on here too, just to show that there's some more of those big needles and spikes that he has. I'm going to add some little kind of wrinkle lines on there and a few little extra lines kind of around here. A couple little broken lines on here. I'm going to add just a few extra lines also on some of these spikes too. It's just going to add some detail on here. Nice long broken ones. Just kind of makes them stand out, pop a little bit. It's however many you want to do. I'm going to bring a couple little lines in here. And I'm going to do a few little lines right around the mouth here. A couple little lines here. And some little broken ones kind of around here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Sonic the Hedgehog as a Godzilla Titan. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.